सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब यहाँ आए और थैंक यू वेरी मच क्यूटॉन और की मेरी एसोसिएशन जैसे कि सबने कहा कि लंबी एसोसिएशन है ऑलमोस्ट डेकेड नाउ एंड वो इतना आसान नहीं होता है। उसमें क्या होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं जुड़ने में क्या होता है, कोलैबोरेशन में क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू फील फॉर ईच अदर and believe in each other. And thank you so much for making me the associating with y'all. And I'm so happy that the company is doing well and your brand is doing well. And I want you all to work harder and do even better and keep on improving because it's never कि यार अभी हो गया 9 साल हो गए एस्टैब्लिश हो गया, नहीं। हर बार आपको कुछ ना कुछ रीइन्वेंट करना पड़ेगा, कुछ नया लाना पड़ेगा। तो अभी अगले साल आप क्या नया ला रहे हैं?
और नए काफी अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं। बाकी ये एनर्जी आपसे मिलती है हम लोग को। आप भी जैसे इसमें नए करते रहते हैं ना,
पूरा सीनरी चेंज कर रहे हैं।
चेंज कर रहे हैं ना
पूरा चेंज
आप कर रहे हैं ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
ठीक, चलो कोई बात नहीं। आई थिंक it's quite a few things that you have to, it's all blessings of God, your family, hard work, looking after yourself, and me being an actor, obviously making the right choices of films and being associated with the right team, right filmmakers, right co-stars, right studio. All these things matter a lot. And more than anything else, going for trying your best. You see, money is important, but somewhere I feel in our profession, the quality also is very, very important. Like for example, Qton or all of us, whatever, or you as a journalist or anybody who's standing over here, if you don't have the commitment and the integrity and and you don't do it sincerely, you might be successful for 1 or 2 years, but for a longevity there are a lot of things you have to keep that in mind. Hard work, professionalism, all these things are very, very important. Being on time and listening more than talking. आपको सुनना पड़ता है। There are a lot of people who are much more sensible and intelligent than you are. So you have to listen to them. Youngsters, senior people, parents, your family members, someone who's superior to you. You have to listen to them. That's what I've done. Well, to be honest with you, I really don't revisit my past. I try to always to move forward. See, I'll tell you what, for me, work is worship. And our body also is like a temple. So you have to look after it. You have to take care of it. You have to be dedicated not only to your work but to yourself and to your body also. You have to look after it. And that's what I've done. That's the reason I'm mentally and physically. It's not only physical fitness but also mental fitness. And I think that's the key to whatever I've done, to my longevity as the way I. Thank you so much. You still feel that I look fit. I am fit, of course. Like for example, before coming here, I had some time in the morning and I had a few meetings. But after the meetings, I did do my routine of my workout and a quick workout, and an intense workout. So that keeps me, going.